working on Discord. Now, this works for both Windows and mobile, so follow exactly what I say. We're gonna want to go to Settings, and then simply scroll down until you find Voice. It's actually a very simple tutorial. All you have to do is these three simple steps. So, the first thing you're going to want to notice is the input sensitivity. As you can see, it lights up green when I speak, and that may be the problem. So, first of all, we're going to want to make sure that these sliders are all the way up. If they're down, that means it's not inputting your voice. So, you're going to want to, put them all the way up, and now it might help you. Next thing we're going to want to check out is the noise cancelling section. Now in this section, you're going to want to make sure that it's set to none. If it's set to crisp or automatic, then it's going to suppress the noise in your microphone and might take out your voice while it's doing so. So make sure it's set to none and see if that works. Now the last thing you're going to want to do, or the last resort thing, is setting this setting off. It's called advanced voice activity. And here it says turning this off may help if your voice is not being detected by the automatic input sensitivity. So, what you're going to want to do is turn that off in order for the input sensitivity to basically pick up your voice. And yeah, those are the three best steps you can do on both Windows and your mobile. So I really hope this video worked. If it did, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial works or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.